Okay, so today I will take you through one of my altcoin setups that I'm taking in this market, which is actually turning bullish today. The trade is based on virtual, which is basically a AI based token, kind of very promising, and of course on the base chain and Solana chain, preferably on the base chain. So in this video, I talk about setup, how I took it, how's the outcome, and of course my platinum members knows and we minted profit by trading it on a lower time frame and higher time frame. So with that, let's dive in. Let's talk about virtual trade setup. Now again, if you're someone who's new here and watching my videos for the first time, make sure to press subscribe button, also press the bell icon. If you haven't done already, I share alpha like these and trade setup like these every single day on my channel, and especially for my platinum members, so that you can make money every single day in crypto trading. Remember, for that you need to join my public telegram. The link is shared below, and to level up you can join my platinum membership and be part of the platinum telegram group. The link is shared below. So here we have virtual, basically a altcoin, you can say well listed altcoin in every market. You can call it on sex or dex, binance, coinbase, aerodrome, upbit, of course. Very promising. Here we have the numbers, which means just 1 billion supply, and the current circulation is right now 657 million, very low, plus the market cap is just 372 million. So clearly one of the top token that can be, should be in your watch list. So my job for you is actually to show the trade. So this is what I did. I placed a pivot line on the lower time frame. Of course, this is part of my bigger program. If you want to learn about trading, how to do that, of course I have created a course on VOP. You can join it. I will share the link in the description. You can check it out and of course try it yourself. Now coming back, this is virtual on the lower time frame. I do it on the pivot charts and also based upon the indicators which I share with my members, and clearly on 20 and 50 MA it looks good. And the main thing why I took the trade is basically based on the higher time frame, which is 4-hour chart right now, and there is a clear pattern, a clear bullish breakout. You can see right over here, if we take into account of this one, which is your MACD, and this is kind of your MACD right over here. Let me just draw the line. This is kind of MACD divergence that I saw basically on the 4-hour chart, which is one of the top chart to basically analyze. And if we look at here and here, okay, which is this, so they have like a clear MACD divergence, which means the trend is about to change. And this confirmation was taken from here, this big green candle, and after this I took the pattern in consideration. So you can see here a clear bullish pattern right over here, which means a triangular pattern. Let me show you if I can by taking you to the triangle setup, which is right over here. It's like this, right? It's like this. So this is kind of a bullish flag. You can talk about that. So this is a clear bullish flag, and that's when I take a trade on the breakout or the final breakout. How I came to know about the breakout? Well, you can see this low test candle, which is right over here. And once you see that, I chose to place a trade just above it at the close of this, at the highs of this candle, which is right over here. And that is my entry. And I took the help of trading with chart. And this is how I planned my entry. So my entry is done. And clearly it went up, straight up. And you can clearly find out the trade is now moving in the right direction. If you look at the 1 hour chart, you will see it is actually confirming my bullish pattern on the 1 hour chart also. The only resistance that I have is on the daily chart. So daily chart, I have this big resistance, which is kind of right over here, which is 20 MA. And of course, you can see right over here, there's a big, bearishness in this candle, in this chart. And despite that, you will also see one good thing, and that is this is making a good lower highs, lower lows, and then a bullish wedge pattern, which is again, if I tell you here, the bullish wedge, if the system shows me, I can show you. Okay, so this is called as falling wedge, and clearly it is also showing me a bullish pattern with a target of around $1. and we are right over here. So clearly a lot of confirmation, and that is why I took the trade. So that is how I plan my trade. This is a quick video, and of course I have a platinum group where you can learn about the setups. I give you calls, but if you want to learn about trading in general, of course, basic setup from beginner to pro, I have a course academy right over here with the courses right now. You can learn from it, you can subscribe it, take the membership, and I can give you, the complete detail, complete package. And of course, we can talk about that, how to grow ahead in this space. So with that, I complete the video. Let's meet tomorrow in a new video, discover new token, plan new setup, and make money in 2026. Thank you.